दबंग 3, बट ऑल्सो एक सडन बैकलैश आया था, आपके लिए भी आया था,
करेक्ट,
फिल्म के लिए भी आया था, और ये भी था कि सलमान आपके पिताजी की उम्र के बराबर है एंड यू आर रोमांसिंग हिम ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. ये बहुत मुद्दे हुए थे, डिस्कशंस गोइंग ऑन. डिड दैट डिस्कशन अफेक्ट यू उस वक्त?
it was still a very kind of dark place that I was in because I didn't know where life was going from here, and I'm the kind of person जिसको clarity चाहिए होती है.
And he would say, I know Salman needs a companion. माने ये ऐसे भाई वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन, दोस्तों वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है. दिस हाउ टू
Correct.
कॉलेज बॉयज टॉक अबाउट ईच
Correct.
अदर कि यार वैसे है. व्हाट वाज दैट अबाउट महेश जी एंड सलमान? एक चीज जो आप बोले, काश मेरे पास भी ऐसी दोस्ती होती जहां पे someone could say something so deep as that for me too.
I feel with them it's unconditional. With like,
आप अभी भी उतने कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो?
नहीं,
बिकॉज आप अभी रहे हो इंडस्ट्री में. How many years has it been?
it's been 4 years now.
4 years.
Yeah.
4 years long enough to be that confident. पर नहीं आया क्या अभी तक उतना?
I don't know.
हार्श क्रिटिसिज्म आया क्रिटिक्स से या पीपल से जिसने आपका बैलेंस हिला दिया?
हाँ जी, काफ़ी बार.
जैसे कि
Many of the Instagram comments also, they're like acting class join करो, डांस क्लास join करो.
मुझे याद है एक पिक्चर आपका वायरल हुआ था जहाँ गुरु रंधावा आपको हाथ में किस करते ऐसे.
हाँ जी.
Obviously, perhaps
हाँ
तो
जी,
लगा
हाँ
कि यार आप दोनों एक कपल है. But that was far from it, ना? Or was it?
No, that was far from it.
Gentleman है शुभम नाडियाड वाला. Are you dating him?
Um,
Have you ever met unkind actors? नाम नहीं पूछूंगा, but in general.
हाँ,
मिलिए.
हाँ.
क्या करते हो?
Nothing. They just look through you and
जब महेश जी का कैंसर हुआ था,
जी.
you must have been traumatized.
It was a very difficult phase for the entire family because Hi guys, I'm Sai Manjrekar. आज मुझे इस पॉडकास्ट में आके बहुत खुशी हुई. I genuinely felt like मैं अपने आप को थोड़ा और जान पाई सिड सर से बात करके. तो थैंक यू सो मच एंड यू आर वॉचिंग मी ऑन सिद्धार्थ कानन's यूट्यूब चैनल.
हेलो, कैसी हैं आप साई?
बहुत अच्छी हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
आई डोंट मिस यू क्योंकि रोज मैं आपको पैपराजी वीडियो में देखता रहता हूँ. एंड यू आर पैप फेवरेट.
A lot of people tell me that. I don't know if I am though.
क्यों दिखता नहीं है क्या?
मतलब मैं देखती नहीं हूँ ऐसे because then I get the itch to look at the comments and then I'm just like, you know what, let's not. So then I just don't see it.
बट मुझे मालूम है कि पैपराजीज लव यू यार.
And I love them. They're Maharashtrians. They're my brothers. I feel like because there's these two who are Manjrekar also.
अच्छा, ऐसा क्या?
हाँ, अभिषेक and अभिजीत. वो मांजरेकर है तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे भाई बंधु हैं.
तो यानी जब तक उनसे रोज ना मिलो तो ऐसा लगता है कि लाइफ में या फैमिली में कोई मिसिंग है.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं है. आई फील लाइक ऑन अ डे जब मैं अच्छी दिख रही हूँ तो आई फील लाइक कि दूसरों को भी देखना चाहिए मैं कितनी अच्छी दिख रही हूँ. दैट्स व्हाई आई लाइक समटाइम्स टू.
सो ये अच्छी दिखना ये आपके अपीयरेंस पे कमेंट्स डिसाइड करता है या आप अंदर से फील करते हो? द डेज यू लुक अच्छा मींस व्हाट?
द डेज आई लुक अच्छा इज जब मैं उठती हूँ और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज मेरे बाल अच्छे से सेट हो रहे हैं. आई डोंट हैव टू डू एनी मेकअप. मैं कुछ भी लगा के बाहर चली जाऊँ तो अच्छा दिखूंगी. तो इट्स दैट. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आई विल spend 2 hours to get ready and look good and go. It's not a day where I feel good about myself is when I like to get pictured.
But I don't think कि आपको 2 घंटा चाहिए होता है रेडी होने के लिए. You're born pretty genuinely. ये मैं आपके टीम वाले दोस्त से भी कह रहा था ये
मेरे दोस्तों को भी बता दो. वो बोलते हैं सही का 7 बजे मतलब 9 बजे होता है.
क्योंकि 2 घंटा आप लेती है तैयार होने के लिए.
हाँ.
I want to get back to your childhood, right?
Okay.
The little Sai. मुझे मालूम है आप 11 साल की उम्र में आपने अपना पहला रोल किया था.
जी.
वो क्या था?
एक्चुअली मैं जब 8 साल की थी तभी मैंने पहला अपना छोटा सा रोल किया था इन दिस फिल्म कॉल्ड काका स्पर्श जो पापा ने डायरेक्ट की थी. एंड उसमें मुझे तभी ऐसे एक्टिंग का वो कीड़ा नहीं था. बट पापा डायरेक्ट कर रहे थे और उन्होंने पूछा कि आप करोगे? तो मैं हाँ मुझे करना है. तो उसका शूट था कोंकण में. तो आई रिमेंबर फर्स्ट डे ऑफ शूट एक गाना था और मुझे डांस करना था ऐसे ऐसे स्टेप. मुझे अभी भी याद है. और मैं बहुत डर गई थी. एंड इट हैपेंड एंड सिंस दैट डे आई हैड लाइक स्टार्स इन माई आईज. आई वाज लाइक मुझे ये करना है. बिकॉज आई हैड द बेस्ट टाइम बिकॉज आई गॉट ओवर दैट फियर एज अ चाइल्ड. एंड it just felt nice to accomplish something. इतनी छोटी सी थी, so I didn't understand exactly, but I knew कि मुझे set पे कुछ करना है. उसके बाद I really didn't pay much heed to, क्योंकि इतना पढ़ाई में मैं घुस गई थी. I wanted to become an investment banker, मुझे Wall Street जाना था, बहुत चीज़ें करनी थी. तो आई थिंक उसके बाद एक्टिंग काइंड ऑफ टुक अ बैक सीट, क्योंकि मैं इतना पढ़ाई में 11th 12th एंड आई थिंक 11th में मैं जब एक नए स्कूल में गई, हिल स्प्रिंग, वहाँ पे IB में थिएटर वाज एन ऑप्शन टू टेक एज अ सब्जेक्ट. एंड आई वेंट होम एंड मैंने मम्मा को बोला कि मैं ले लूँ क्या थिएटर, क्या ही होगा, मैं कर लूँगी. कूल, हाँ ले, मतलब बाकी के सब्जेक्ट्स इफ यू आर टेकिंग समथिंग दैट यू नीड, लाइक आई वाज टेकिंग इकोनॉमिक्स, मैथमेटिक्स, बिजनेस, मैं ओके डू थिएटर ऑन द साइड. सो आई टुक थिएटर एंड आई फेल इन लव विद इट अगेन. एंड इन द 11th ग्रेड मैंने मॉम डैड को बताया कि मुझे एक 12th ग्रेड के बाद एक गैप ईयर लेना है, इन विच आई वांट टू डू ट्रेनिंग, आई वांट टू डू यू नो ट्राई माई लक, सी वेयर आई फिट इन. एंड दे लाफ्ड. They were like, we'll see all that later, you finish your 12th grade first, you know, university जाके आ जाओ, उसमें टाइम है, बहुत टाइम है. I was like, हाँ चलो ठीक है, but God please do something, I really want to do this. तो I remember I told them in March, और मुझे अप्रैल में फ़ोन आया saying you're being considered for Dabang and you know would you come and meet Prabhu sir. इनफैक्ट मेरी मॉम को फ़ोन आया एंड शी वॉज लुकिंग स्ट्रेस्ड, लाइक स्ट्रेस्ड पर्सोनिफाइड. तो आई वाज लाइक क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज मैं मैथ्स ट्यूशन जा रही थी, उनको फ़ोन आया एंड शी वाज लाइक जू वेट. तो आई वाज लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड टू हर, शी इज लुकिंग स्ट्रेस्ड. आई वाज लाइक क्या हुआ, कैन समवन टेल मी. एंड शी सेड थर्सडे को जाना है प्रभु सर से मिलने. आई वाज लाइक व्हाई. शी इज लाइक यू आर बीइंग कंसिडर्ड फॉर दबंग, तो आप बताओ आपको करना है क्या. तो आई वाज लाइक मम्मा, it's like God ने मेरी सुन ली, because I was praying for it, but I was praying for it 1 year later. It came 1 year advance में. तो we met Prabhu sir and Dabang happened. Before I even could think about what was happening, it was happening. So I feel like my journey अब तक has just been so like going with the flow. I'm not taking any conscious decisions, I'm just letting destiny decide what is meant for me, और मैं वही करके, I think it's all about hard work. कोशिश जितनी करो, हौसला रखो, you know, once you do that, ईमानदारी से काम करो, तो जो भी होना है वो हो जाएगा, is what I believe.
यानी कुछ लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि you gotta make life happen to you.
Yeah.
जैसे मैं डेस्टिनी में बिलीव नहीं करता हूँ.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
I don't. As much as I'd love to say it, I believe you make life happen.
100%, I agree. I feel like obviously कुछ चीज़ें होती है which are written for you, which are meant to happen to you. But if you don't, like if you're destined for great things, अगर मेरी destiny में बहुत great things दिखे, if I don't work hard enough to make myself great enough to fulfill that, फिर वो हाथों की लकीरें change हो सकती है. Because मैं बेड पे बैठ के नहीं बोल सकती हाँ जो होना है हो जाएगा. I have to work hard enough to make myself worthy of my destiny also. So I think that is that little meet in the middle sort of situation that I believe happens with destiny.
तो यानी आप वाकई में easy going है और circumstances ने आपको easy going बनाया, because आप कहती हैं कि I go with the flow.
हाँ.
You know, so that is a very easy going attitude. Not that it's a wrong attitude.
Not easy going per se. I feel like go with the flow मतलब जो भी choices, if life is giving me 4 choices, I am going to tell God, you tell me what the right path is. I'm going to continue working hard. फिर I kind of leave the choice up to God to guide me in the right way. But the hard work part, I think, is the most important part. I feel like if you don't work hard, then any choice you make will be wrong. So easy going in the sense where I don't, मैं फिक्र नहीं करती ज़्यादा चीज़ों के बारे में. मैं बस अपना काम करती हूँ और फिर
अब गॉड बहुत कहती हैं.
हाँ जी.
स्पिरिचुअल पहले से ही थी?
नहीं, बचपन से हमारे घर में गणपति आते हैं. Since I was born, so 11 days गणपति in the house is like family, पूरी घर आती है and it's like the most beautiful celebration in my house. So I've always been a Ganpati believer all my life, and recently I think growing up मेरी mom मुझे चीज़ें करवाती थी, लाइक महाशिवरात्रि पे वी यूज्ड टू गो टू द टेम्पल एंड डू द पूजा, एंड शी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल मी थिंग्स. एंड आई थिंक बचपन से वो सुन सुन के it's been a very gradual development of me and God and our relationship, because it's not like कि बचपन से मैं ऐसे पूजा पाठ, but eventually बहुत with someone like your mom इतना सुन सुन के बहुत इंस्पायर होती थी मैं भी, क्योंकि mom is very spiritual, like 2 hours a day she'll be meditating. We know that from 10 in the morning to 12 in the morning you cannot tell mom anything because she's in her meditation room meditating and doing her puja and doing her malas. So those 2 hours you can't disturb mom.
और रोज करती हूँ.
Every day. Right now she's in the US, UK. तभी भी उठ के उनका होता है उनके टाइम पे. So that is like her thing. And when she tells me that, that brings her so much peace and so much like it just centers her. I've seen my mom grow over the years. So I feel like जब वो देखती हूँ मैं, it really helps me kind of see where I want to be when it comes to the entire spiritual aspect of life. And I really enjoy being centered and one with myself and one with God.
क्या पापा भी इतने स्पिरिचुअल है कि नहीं?
Papa bhi hai. He has his own way of showing it. He, after the shower every day, he'll go to the mandir, do his puja, wear his dhaga here. So he has his own ritual. I feel like everyone has their own very unique personal connection with God. And I think that is very beautiful, because you can do it any way you like. You don't have to be stuck in one way. You can choose. I can be in my room and pray to God instead of going to the mandir also, and I know that He listens. So I think that's a very beautiful relationship in everyone's life.
क्या आपके माता पिता जब आप छोटी थी
हाँ.
प्रोटेक्टिव थे या बोलते थे गिरोगी तो गिरोगी? You know, they were bindas, they let you be. क्या था?
It was a balance actually. बहुत एक tricky सा balance था, लेकिन उन्होंने बहुत beautifully वो निभाया है, क्योंकि there were times when, you know, mom and dad were protective about me, where they were like, अभी पढ़ाई करनी है, अभी बाहर ये सब नहीं करना है. Because when I said I wanted to act, the first thing in my mind was like, I want to be seen in places and I want to meet people, and they were very protective like that since I was a child only, कि ये exposure अभी नहीं चाहिए. Because dad always believed that maybe when I said I want to act, that I would probably get into it for the wrong reasons, which is obviously the glamour and the fame and the, you know, everyone looks so pretty and everyone's always so prim and proper, and as a young girl you just like feel like even I want to do this. But I feel like along with that मैंने सब कुछ देखा है घर पे, with dad's releases, his acting. I've seen the good, the bad, the ugly. So I feel like I kind of, since a very young age, had my eyes open while going into it, because I knew कि अच्छा होता है तो ऐसा होता है, बुरा होता है तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So it's something that you have to kind of accept. If you want something good, you have to accept something bad can happen. So in that way they were protective, but they didn't let me kind of do that since a very young age. But I'm really grateful for that, because I had a very normal upbringing. मतलब everything, my entire family, even till date, if there's ever birthday parties at home या कोई big celebration, it's only my close knit family and friends, and it just feels like I can come back to normalcy after being outside, and that balance they've struck very well. But at the same time, अभी for example जब मैं films choose कर रही हूँ या कुछ decision लेना है जिसमें मैं बहुत conflicted हूँ शायद, तो मैं उनके पास जा सकती हूँ. They won't tell me what to do. They will give me their point of view, and then they'll still be like, तुम्हें जो सही लगता है gut में, कि in my gut feeling, my intuition is telling me do this, do that. At the end of the day, the consequences are yours, the rewards are yours. So I think that's a very beautiful balance that we've struck.
आपने एक इंटरेस्टिंग लाइन कही कि सक्सेस फेलियर्स तो मैंने घर में ही देखा हुआ है. मैं बिलीव करता हूँ, आई एम श्योर यू ऑल्सो बिलीव, कि सक्सेस तो सिखाता है ही, बट फेलियर ज़्यादा सिखाता है.
100%.
वो कौन से डाउनफॉल्स थे आपके पिताजी के? बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी इमोशनल मैन, वो एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, जिसको देखकर आपने पता किया और फील किया कि यस, एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस ईजी नहीं है.
So the funny part about that is, जो भी पापा के downfalls थे या successes थे या anything, he never brought it home with him. He always kept home separate from work, and I think that was it's a very hard and brave thing to do because अगर मतलब अभी शायद I would know because mom tells me about it, but at that point when I was little मुझे कभी नहीं पता चलता था what is happening outside. And I didn't know if there were struggles or if there were highs and lows. Home was always home. It was always normal and it was always kept like that. But I feel like जब मैं in retrospect देखती हूँ उन times को, I feel like Papa is always working. Like he's always working, even till date. वो कभी कभी 4 घंटे सोते थे and used to go out. And that's a lot of hard work to do at that age. And I used to feel like, you know, मैं स्कूल जाती थी, I used to feel like नहीं 8 घंटा नहीं और 9, 10, 12 घंटे सोना है. And he used to sleep for 4 hours, wake up, go for a shoot, come back at night, do the same thing again. So that hard work I used to see firsthand. Like, wake up in the morning at 7, where's Papa? He's gone for shoot. Come back at 9 in the night, where's Papa? He's gone for shoot. So that hard work I kind of saw firsthand. और मुझे पता था कि अगर मुझे ये करना है तो मुझे ये भी करना है. So I feel like right now when I'm waking up at 6 in the morning and sleeping at 10:30, 11 at night to go to shoot, I call mom and dad and tell them, Mama, 6 बजे उठना है कल, and they feel so proud. It's a small achievement. It's not even like कि कल 6 बजे उठ के काम पे जाना है. Such a beautiful thing to say. I don't know. It's just a lot of fun, and I love calling them and telling them that because that's what I've learned through the years from them.
The debut was big, Dabangg 3, but also एक सडन बैकलैश आया था. आपके लिए भी आया था,
करेक्ट,
फिल्म के लिए भी आया था, और ये भी था कि सलमान आपके पिताजी की उम्र के बराबर है एंड यू आर रोमांसिंग हिम ऑन द बिग स्क्रीन. ये बहुत मुद्दे हुए थे, डिस्कशंस गोइंग ऑन. डिड दैट डिस्कशन अफेक्ट यू उस वक्त?
I was very oblivious to that discussion because at that point when I had just started, like when Dabangg had just come out, I don't know how much I can say, but I had no management, I had no PR, I had no, like I had not done that because for me it was, for my dad also is like he's purely an artist. He doesn't do any of, you know, the things that probably I have to do now because he's a director and he's an actor and he's doing 10 things at the same time, so he doesn't really need to do, and he comes from that generation of people also that never did that. So I didn't have that, so I wasn't aware. I was very oblivious to whatever was happening. I was just happy that I've seen myself on a big screen. But eventually, I think 6 months down the line when I got all of this, when I was more active on Instagram, and I saw everything, I was like, but it had already been 6 months. I was already doing something else. So it didn't affect me as much as it should have because it came to me a lot later in life. When I was at a different stage in life, in my career as a person, I was completely different. And I think उसकी वजह से मैं थोड़ी सहम गई थी. I'm also a very thick-skinned person. I don't know how, I don't know why. Things don't affect me very fast. And I've always been like that. बचपन से ही. Even if something went wrong in school, they won't affect me. I will take heed of them. मैं उनको समझ के लूँगी and I'll do something about it. But I won't let them affect me. I'm a very like weird person like that. So I think even till date, if there's praise, I'll be happy. If someone's saying something bad, I'll take note of it and I'll do something about it and I'll be happy. I'm a very like person.
Zen mode wala hai.
Haan, not even Zen. I'm a very happy-go-lucky person also. Like I have a lot of energy and I'm very restless. But at the same time, that restlessness is more masti and like doing like I'm a very masti-khor person, but I'm also at the same time don't let things affect me.
Lowest point क्या था जब दबंग फ्लॉप हुई थी? It didn't work. Lowest point. एक तो point हुआ होगा where आपने self realization हुआ होगा.
100%, and that was I think lockdown. क्योंकि दबंग had just come out and I was like, you know, मेरी पूरी team में you know, we'll set the world on fire, let's go, and then you realize that you're doing something else and lockdown happens कि आपने एक माचिस की तीली भी नहीं जलाई है. From I'll set the world on fire, and then you like those 6-8 months was when I really sat with myself, sat with my feelings, and I was like, you know, कि मुझे इसके आगे क्या करना है, because now कुछ हो नहीं रहा है. And at that point it was really really low because मैंने पढ़ाई को backseat में रख दिया था पूरे. Like I finished the 12th grade and I was like, I'll see what I want to do with that later. I want to focus on acting right now. And at that point, lockdown में मेरे सारे दोस्त, all my friends are, none of them are into acting or the film business in any way. तो उनकी colleges online चालू थे, उनका work from home चालू था. So they were always busy and I was free the whole day. And I felt like, am I not doing something? Am I not doing enough? Because मैंने अभी 3 महीने पहले मैंने पहली पिक्चर की है. I started another one and lockdown happened and I'm sitting at home thinking, now what? Because I've kind of put my education on the back seat. I've chosen this full time, but nothing is happening here right now. So what can I do to kind of, make myself feel like I'm doing enough or be productive? So at that point I remember कि हम घर पे बहुत scenes करते थे and we used to do 100 things. We used to do dance classes at night together, all of us, like as a family. Dad used to take mine and my sisters का एक, वो हमें रोज सुबह सीन देते थे और शाम को हम सीन उनको करके दिखाते थे and then he used to give us feedback. So that also kind of helped me push a little कि I'm doing something, but it was still a very kind of dark place that I was in because I didn't know where life was going from here. And I'm the kind of person जिसको clarity चाहिए होती है. Like I know that tomorrow this is happening, but when that isn't there, I get very scared. Like I'm a planner. I feel like even though I leave things to destiny and fate, I will still plan them. अभी उसके आजू बाजू कुछ हुआ तो I'm okay, but I still need to know what is happening. तो that sense of कि पता नहीं कल क्या होने वाला है really like brought me down. But I think eventually when I sat with my feelings, मैंने बहुत introspection किया कि what I want to do. I realized that I want to take baby steps. क्योंकि I thought to myself कि मुझे यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, मेरे को jump करना था. But maybe I'm not prepared enough to make that jump right now. So I think baby steps was the way to go, and I think till now that's what I'm doing. I think taking baby steps, taking every decision, every choice, making every choice matter is something that I'm focusing on and just doing good work.
तेलुगु इंडस्ट्री ने आपको वेलकम किया विद ओपन आर्म्स.
जी.
How was that experience? वो कैसा था?
It was a beautiful experience. Like जब मैंने major shoot की थी, I didn't know what I was getting into, and I didn't know till we started promoting also. Then I remember one fine day we've gone to Vizag, Visakhapatnam, एक major की screening के लिए, and we've watched the film and we've all gone up on stage, and the amount of love I've received, everyone has received, the film has received, it's something that I've never experienced before. It's like I remember them screaming my character's name, giving me flowers. And that was the love and appreciation that makes you want to do more and want to do better, because that's the thing you crave for. That it's in some way validation also. लोगों को like literally first hand validation. Picture देख के हम stage पे चले गए and people are cheering. And I feel like since then I've realized it's such a beautiful experience when people see your work and then love you for it. That's just the thing that I'm striving to do कि वही करना है अभी, वही मेरा like motivating factor, driving factor है life में.
तो सही देखा जाए, जो आपके डेब्यू फिल्म दबंग 3 में होना चाहिए था आपके साथ, ये रोज फेंकना, जो एड्यूरेशन आपको मिला, वो कुछ समय के बाद मेजर के थ्रू मिला. Am I right?
Yes.
है ना?
But I know with Dabang also there was a lot of adulation, 100%.
जैसे कि?
It was adoration that I saw firsthand for Salman sir and then dreamt of it. So I feel like that was a completely different experience, because Salman sir being the star that he is, just to see the love that he gets and to experience it firsthand standing next to him was an entirely different experience for me. Because for me he was always Salman Khan, but to see that magnitude of his stardom standing next to him when people are cheering for him, and I see people crying and hooting and trying to climb up things. I'm just like, imagine the amount of goodwill someone has to have that kind of love. And I think that's when you start dreaming, when you see that. And I feel like that dream kind of in somewhat way, in a small way, came true with Major.
आपने कहीं कहा हुआ है कि जब भी मैं कुछ नया काम करती हूँ, मैं सलमान खान को फोन करती हूँ. I update him. Am I right? Is that true?
I mean, not with everything, क्योंकि अगर मैं हर रोज बैठ के फोन करके, he's a busy man, so obviously, but anytime I have something really special coming up, I will drop him a text saying, Salman sir, are you in town? Would you like to please come? And if he's in town, he'll always show up. He'll always, show his support in some way or the other. And for that, I am eternally grateful. मतलब मैं कभी भी सलमान सर को इनफ थैंक यू नहीं कह सकती जो उन्होंने मेरे लिए किया है. एंड ही विल ऑलवेज बी समबडी हु इज माय मेंटर एंड आई विल ऑलवेज लुक अप टू हिम दैट वे.
खान परिवार आपके साथ कैसे है? बिकॉज मैंने सुना है कि वो भी आपको एम्ब्रेस कर देते हैं. अरबाज, सोहेल, सलीम सर, अर्पिता, आयुष, वो सब ऐसे करते हैं. वैसा आपके साथ भी हुआ था?
They are the kindest family, I think. मैं नई दबंग कर रही थी and there was a party, I think in Eid party or something that I had gone for, and I was very nervous. I was a baby. I didn't know better. So I used to stick to mom and dad. मैं किसी से बात नहीं करती थी because I didn't know anyone. So I used to stick to mom and dad. But eventually the way they made me feel comfortable and the way they spoke to me so warmly, always kind, हमेशा बहुत प्यार से, बहुत इज्जत दे के बात करते थे. And I feel like that was so mutual. That eventually just like if I meet them now, I'll like if I see anyone at a function or something, I have to go say hi and give them a hug because that's the kind of love they've showed me.
Can you call the Khan family आपका परिवार?
I mean, I would love to.
तो है कि नहीं? एक होता है दोस्ती, होता है, एक होता है रिस्पेक्ट, होता है, एक होता है कि हाँ मेरे परिवार है, मैं कुछ भी बोल सकती हूँ, मैं फ़ोन करके बोल सकती हूँ, अच्छा यू नो व्हाट, मैं लैंड अप करूँगी यहाँ पे, आई एम कमिंग, एंड दिल से हाँ आ जाओ जाओ. Is it that kind of an equation?
I think I'm too young to have that kind of. It's more of a respect equation because I'm a very shy person. So I've never kind of been the kind of person, except for my very close 5 friends, not even to my own family, to call up and say. I'm a very respectful person like that. My masi still yells at me when I do aho aho to them because they're like, "Arey, you have to do are tore, not aho aho." Because I'm very like with the elders, and that's why I can't pick up a call on anyone and say, "Arey, मैं आ रही हूँ," unless it's like somebody my age and my friend. So I'm always very respectful to people.
आपके पिताजी ने मेरे साथ बहुत समय पहले बात किया था, बड़े ईयर बैक.
I've seen that interview. Yeah.
बड़े कैंडिड थे मेरे साथ.
हाँ जी.
उन्होंने ये तक बोला था कि सलमान एट टाइम्स फील्स लोनली. उन्होंने कहा था मुझसे कि वो बोलते थे कि सलमान अपने छोटे से घर में कभी कभार सोफे पे लेट जाते थे, पंखा चालू होता था, एंड ही वुड से आई नो सलमान नीड्स अ कंपेनियन. माने ये ऐसे भाई वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन, दोस्तों वाला कॉन्वर्सेशन होता है. दिस हाउ टू कॉलेज बॉयज टॉक अबाउट ईच अदर कि यार वैसे है. What was that about महेश जी एंड सलमान? एक चीज जो आप बोले काश मेरे पास भी ऐसी दोस्ती होती जहाँ पे someone could say something so deep as that for me too.
I feel with them it's unconditional. With like I've seen with Salman sir and with Papa that the love they have has no expectation from each other. Give and take बिल्कुल नहीं है. And I feel like that is a very beautiful relationship to have. And it's a very difficult relationship to also have because sometimes, especially for me in life, when I'm giving my energy to a friend or to a companion or a relative, I expect their energy back. And I feel like with both of them is just two people who are giving each other. And I think that's a very beautiful friendship to have. And I wish that I can have that someday where I can, I only have that with my cats, where I can give so much love with no expectation of love in return. But they have that giving. So I think they get also, they give also. So it's a very sweet relationship they share.
लोग कहते हैं कि सलमान के कभी मूड स्विंग्स भी होते हैं. मूड स्विंग्स होते हैं, आपने वो एक्सपीरियंस किया है क्या?
नहीं, मैंने फर्स्ट हैंड तो कभी एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया, बट आई थिंक मूड स्विंग्स तो सबके होते हैं. मेरे कल हुए थे.
क्या हुआ?
I just got off a flight and मैं गाड़ी में बैठी और मैंने घर से कुछ लाने बोला था, मैं कुछ खाना था और मुझे वो मिला नहीं तो मैं रोने लग गई थी. आई एम वेरी फनी लाइक दैट. तो मूड स्विंग्स तो सबके होता है. आई फील लाइक दैट्स जस्ट अ ह्यूमन trait. But I've never experienced it firsthand. With me, I've always seen him be the kindest, the sweetest, and to everyone around him. So I've not really experienced mood swings.
आपने कहा कि खाना नहीं आया तो आप रोने लगे, अब जल्दी रोती है?
हाँ, बहुत
बहुत जल्दी
कुछ भी देख लो, कुछ भी नहीं हुआ तो मैं रोने लगती हूँ, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक रूम में अकेले बैठ के वाला रोना है, जस्ट लाइक वाला रोना. इट्स वेरी चाइल्डिश क्राइंग, बट या आई क्राई वेरी फास्ट.
बहुत इमोशनल है आप?
हाँ, but in different ways. Like I feel more emotional for other people than I feel for myself. It's a little weird. Like अगर किसी और की लाइफ में बुरा हो रहा होगा तो मुझे ज़्यादा दुख होगा, अगर बल्कि like मेरे लाइफ में बुरा हो रहा है, so फिर हाँ, we'll deal with that later.
This is a very selfless attitude. It is when जब दूसरों के बारे में सोचते हैं और अपने बारे में नहीं. मैंने सुना है आपके पिताजी भी ऐसे ही हैं. Is that a trait as a daughter you've got from him? मैंने सुना है ये.
I think my entire family is very selfless.
Selfless.
बहुत selfless है. मतलब मैंने बचपन से देखा है ना, सब एक दूसरे, even in the family, if anyone needs help, everyone's helping each other, even in the small things. Like I've told you, Ganpati is a big celebration in my house. तो गणपति के लिए पूरी फैमिली सुबह आती है घर पे, not for anything but to help. Mom. खाना बनाने में मदद, वो फ्लावर्स लगाने में मदद. Everyone comes 1 week earlier to help decorate the house. So it's a joint effort, and I've always seen that happen in my family. They love to help each other and other people, and they get a lot of happiness from it. And I think growing up, वो देख के ये कहीं पे तो मुझ में भी आ गया है.
मैंने 30 years कंप्लीट किए इंडियन एंटरटेनमेंट बिजनेस में, और एक चीज ने मुझे हमेशा इंस्पायर की है, आगे बढ़ाया है, वो है मेरे अंदर के अंगार ने. माय अंगार मर्चेंडाइज इज आउट. जी हाँ, ये है मेरा अंगार टी शर्ट, अंगार बैग्स, अंगार मग्स, और साथ में जो भी लाइनें मैं बोलता हूं दिल से मेरे पॉडकास्ट में, मेरे चैट शो में, वो सारी लाइनें होंगी मेरी टी शर्ट्स, हुडीज, जंपर्स में एट अ वेरी वेरी अफोर्डेबल प्राइस. माय अंगार मर्चेंडाइज इज ऑल योर्स. अंगार खरीदिए और अंगार मचाइए. अनन्या सारा जानवी, आपने कहा है कि आप उनकी इंटरव्यूज देखते हो.
हाँ जी.
बिकॉज उनका कॉन्फिडेंस जो होता है,
हाँ जी,
उनका रियल पति जो होता है,
हाँ जी.
यू वांट टू इम्बाइब दैट.
यस.
आप अभी भी उतने कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो?
नहीं.
बिकॉज आप अभी रहे हो इंडस्ट्री में. हाउ मेनी इयर्स हैज इट बीन?
It's been 4 years now.
4 years.
Yeah.
4 years long enough to be that confident. पर नहीं आया क्या अभी तक उतना?
I don't know if it's confidence or if it's just the kind of person that I am. I've always been a very shy girl since a very young age. Which is why when I said, my parents laughed when I said I wanted to be an actor, because I'm a very shy girl. But somehow I don't know how on a set वो action बोलते ही I forget about everything and then I come back and I'm just like hee hee. So I'm a little bit weird that way, because since I can remember I've been shy. मैं आंखें ऊंचे करके बात नहीं कर सकती लोगों से. Like even this I'm looking down and then looking up at you. I can't look at.
और अब बीच में साइड में देखती.
हाँ.
Fine.
Yeah, so I'm a really shy person. So I don't know if it's confidence or not, because confidence, I think, I'm trying to build in my craft first. And I feel like once that comes, I don't feel like this conversational confidence will ever sound like confidence with me, because I'll always be shy, I think. Like I remember someone had given me a tag also, Shy Manjrik. Shy Manjrik. Sound okay.
बहुत innovative था यार वो.
हाँ, so I was like, cool, I agree, because I am a shy person and I'm trying to change that. I'm trying to be a little more, I know, confident and a little more outspoken, but I feel like that will come with time.
आपके पिताजी बहुत outspoken है.
हाँ जी.
बहुत डंके की चोट चीजें बोलते हैं. Fearless है.
Yes, yes.
Has that ever got him into trouble and have you experienced that?
Not gotten him in trouble outside, but at home quite a few times. Like Mama हमेशा बोलती है, अरे why did you say this? Why did you say? I've seen these arguments and they're really silly, but they're really cute. And then they have this banter between them कि मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगा तो क्या बोलूँगा, and then he's like, usually like ये बोल सकते हो, and then I'm just inside like क्या बोल रहे हो आप? So it's just like a funny banter situation at home that happens with these articles that come out.
औरों में आपको अच्छा फीडबैक मिला.
हाँ जी.
फिल्म didn't do well.
हाँ जी.
बट आपको जेन्युइनली लोगों ने अप्रिशिएट किया.
जी.
और कॉन्वर्सेशन से पहले मैंने आपसे कहा था कि यू नो आई हर्ड गुड थिंग्स अबाउट यू. आई हैवंट सीन द फिल्म, बट
Yes.
And then you said finally or something like that.
Yeah.
क्यों? You've not got the appreciation जो आपको लगता है आपको मिलना चाहिए था अब तक? And tell me honestly.
No, it's not about that. I feel like it's about the exposure eventually. I feel like this film gave me the kind of exposure that will get me talked about. And that was a very big thing for me. And that being said, also, I feel like there was so much heart, soul, love, uh, tears, blood, everything, sweat, everything put into this that I was like, it has to amount to something. And it did amount to something. And it gave me a lot of good feedback, and I'm really happy about that.
अनन्या, जानवी और सारा
हाँ,
बहुत उन्होंने नेपो किड बैशिंग रिसीव किए उन लोग.
correct.
Do you feel आपको भी उतना मिला है कि you've been spared?
I don't know actually. I've seen a little bit, I've not seen sometimes. So, I don't know, but I've always believed that ये entire जो debate है about nepotism, I've always believed that I'm not the kind of person who's going to go say कि, it's not valid. Because it is in some ways, and it is in some ways to see it from both sides. I feel like I believe that I've been given an opportunity, and it's not about the opportunities that I got after Dabang, because those I know I got on my own, hard work and whatever I did. But I feel like to get that first break is the hardest part, which people have worked years and years for. So I'm never going to take that away from people and say that no, this is not a debate that we're supposed to have, because I probably would have gotten it easier than some. But at the same time, I believe that I've been given an opportunity and I have to make myself worthy of that opportunity, and I have to prove myself to be worthy to be in this position in life. And that is what I work hard for, and also to make my parents proud. Ki whatever we did to this child, she did well with it. I think that is the idea, and I hope that happens. I hope that they say that, like that mom and dad watched the film in the US, Auron mein kaha dam tha, and they called me and they said you've done well, and that was the biggest praise for me. So I forgot what the question was. Sorry.
Yeah.
So that's where I think I stand with their entire debate. But I feel like there's a line to be drawn somewhere where you can't forget that a person at the end of the day is a person with feelings. Today, something that 1, 2, 3, 4 things might not affect me. The fifth thing will probably really affect me. And I feel like sometimes people forget that people have feelings. And that is, I think, the empathy that probably is lacking on social media. I feel like the only thing that's needed is empathy, to feel for the other person, even if you don't like where they come from or what they do. आप अपना critical point रखो, but keep it in a nice way.
कभी हार्श क्रिटिसिज्म आया क्रिटिक्स से या पीपल से जिसने आपका बैलेंस हिला दिया?
हाँ जी, काफ़ी बार.
जैसे कि
many of the Instagram comments also, they're like acting class join karo, dance class join karo. I'm just like मैं कर रही हूँ लेकिन, but there are these comments, there are these people, like with a film that I did, there was I don't remember the review what it said exactly, but it was not the best. And I feel like those really kind of motivate you. Every morning when you wake up and you see something like that, you feel like, okay, now I have to go do these things to kind of make people stop saying this. You can't make everyone सबके घर पे जाके नहीं बोल सकते कि ये मत बोलो, but you can try. I feel like वो कोशिश ज़रूरी है. Then you leave it up to fate and God कि क्या होना है. But I feel like that little amount of work towards what people are saying, you have to pay heed to it sometimes. And that is what I try to do. But at the same time, I've realized that motivation comes and goes in waves. मतलब आप कितना भी ट्राई करो, रोज मोटिवेटेड नहीं उठ सकते. तो आई फील लाइक इट्स अबाउट दैट consistency that you have to have. I feel like every day in the morning you have to wake up and go for dance class. Every day I can't be motivated to wake up and go for dance class. I have to wake up sometimes not feeling like going, but still end up going. So I feel like that is the tricky part.
मोटिवेशन कहाँ से डिराइव करती हैं आप?
फ्रॉम द मिरर वियर्डली ना,
अपने आप से
बहुत ज़्यादा। मतलब मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ, अपने आप से बात करती हूँ, अपने आप को लाइक इवन व्हाइल स्लीपिंग आई एम थिंकिंग अबाउट 100 थिंग्स। कल क्या करना है, हाउ डू वी मेक टुमारो अ वेरी प्रोडक्टिव डे इन टर्म्स ऑफ इफ आई वांट टू रीच अ सर्टेन गोल दैट आई हैव सेट इन माइंड कि मुझे ईयर एंड तक यहाँ पहुँचना है करियर वाइज। तो व्हाट एम आई डूइंग टुमारो दैट विल हेल्प मी गेट टू दैट गोल? एंड आई फील लाइक एवरी डे इज दैट सेम क्वेश्चन दैट आई आस्क माई सेल्फ।
कभी ऐसा आया समय पे फिल्म जो हिंदी फिल्म है दे हैव नॉट डन वेल, मेजर हिट हुई थी बट
करेक्ट,
हिंदी फिल्म्स वर्क नहीं किए,
करेक्ट।
कभी मोटिवेशन डीमोटिवेशन में बदला वेयर यू फेल्ट मे बी आई वांट टू क्विट द बिजनेस, ऐसा कभी आया आपको फीलिंग?
Again, I think in the lockdown, that was immediately after my debut, and क्योंकि मेरा प्रॉब्लम लॉकडाउन में था कि सब अपनी लाइफ के साथ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, जो भी मेरे सराउंडिंग मेरे फ्रेंड्स थे, everyone was moving ahead in life. They were still studying, they were still going somewhere, and I felt like I'm kind of, locked somewhere and I can't get out of here. So at that point, I was feeling like, maybe I should just start it, studying again. I should join a university, go do a 2-3 year course, come back and see if this is still something that I want to do. And at that point, I kind of hit myself and I was like, no, Sai, you've dreamt of this for a very long time. And I feel like giving up is not something that I would be able to do, even if I think it.
सोचा आपने?
हाँ, वो कितनी बार सोच, you get those intrusive thoughts sometimes कि नहीं करना है अभी यार, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है। But I feel like that is the point which is the most important point in your life and in your career, because that's the point where you decide what you're doing, which decides your trajectory. When you're at your lowest is when you can go back up. So I feel like at that point when I get those intrusive thoughts, at that point when I fight through them and I don't know, go back to work the next day, is when I feel like I've done something worthwhile.
Who are your close friends? जैसे would you call Sara, Ananya, Janvi all your close friends or acquaintances? कौन है? क्योंकि अभी भी आप 22 की हैं क्या?
हाँ जी.
तो you're still very very young.
Yeah.
तो कौन है आपके close friends?
I have this group. It's called Capybara.
हाँ?
It's called Capybara, जो एक animal है Capybara नाम का. I don't know how this group came into existence or why it's called Capybara. There's a song which is called Capybara. Anyways, and we are obsessed with this song, and we go to Mathiran every year, and we were in Mathiran together, and we were listening to this song, and group का नाम बन गया Capybara.
और ये V कौन है?
V is friends that I've known since I was in the cradle. Well, literally, like ये जो सब मेरे दोस्त हैं, I've crawled with them, and I feel like we're consciously making efforts to still be a very important part of each other's lives, because no one knows me as well as they do. No one knows them as well as all of us. Like, we've been together all our lives. So there's, you want me to name them?
No, that's okay.
They'll be very happy. But no, they're I think the most integral part of my life, my friends. We meet every day. अगर सबका काम खत्म हो जाए तो रात को मेरे घर पे आके हम शायद ही कुछ ना करें, but we have to meet each other and see each other's faces every day. And without that हमें चैन नहीं आता. So I think those are the people that I hold the dearest to me and the closest to my heart, because they've been with me through my ups, my downs. मुझे बहुत बारी वो humble करते हैं, बहुत बारी, when I'm flying too high, they'll be like, shut up. So I think those friends who can really tell me, be real with me, be there for me at the same time, yell at me when I'm doing something wrong, give me the tightest hug when I've done something right, is something that I cherish the most.
मैंने कहीं comment पढ़ा था and I found this very interesting, so I'll bounce it off you. Will we see Sai like Sonakshi getting married to someone who's close to the Khan family?
Marriage, bhai. Marriage is not even in my mind yet, because I'm 22. I don't want to get married before I reach a point in my career where I want to be, first of all. So right now my only commitment is to my work. And marriage is not on the cards yet. It's a long
सबको बाहर
time.
लगता है कि ये सब एक गैंग होते हैं, Sonakshi, Zahir, Salman, ye wo, and he likes calling people over.
Yeah.
He likes getting them together and all that.
Everyone likes having people over and having your close ones near you, but I feel like marriage is not in the cards for me for a very, very, very long time. I just want to focus on my career first and, reach a point that I've dreamt of reaching, and then I'll even consider the whole marriage part. Like I've dreamt of my wedding for a very long time. I
Huh?
know exactly how I want it to be.
कैसे?
Little girl's dream. मेरे पास एक छोटा स्क्रैप बुक था जिसमें मैं सब लिखती थी. I want a proper Indian destination wedding, and I know I've planned my wedding. Now the person is not planned yet, so I don't know what I want to do yet with my love life. That is a conversation to be had a very, very, very long time later, far off in the future.
So I'll take the liberty to ask.
Okay.
जी, मुझे याद है एक पिक्चर आपका वायरल हुआ था जहाँ गुरु रंधावा आपको हाथ में किस करते हैं ऐसे.
हाँ जी.
Obviously, perhaps
हाँ
तो
जी,
लगा
हाँ
कि यार आप दोनों एक कपल हैं. But that was far from it, na? Or was it?
No, that was far from it. We were promoting a film, and there was a little sequence in the film that we were recreating.
अच्छा.
He was trying to find a flower, poor thing, because in the film he's given me a flower, but unko ek patta mila. So it was like a sequence in the film that we were recreating. That was
Another one. एक gentleman है शुभम नाडियाड वाला. Are you dating him?
no, we're just really good friends. We've been for a long time. So even when we get pictured together, there's 12 other people with us that don't get pictured. So that's why it blows out of proportion. But सारे 14 लोग का एक साथ फोटो ले लो तो नहीं लगेगा ऐसा.
तो नेक्स्ट टाइम लगता है मुझे आपको बुलाना चाहिए सबको 14 को बैठा दो.
हाँ, आ जाओ सब आ जाओ ताकि कुछ न्यूज़ ना छपे.
सो अभी कोई रेडार में नहीं है.
नहीं, I don't think right now is the time for me also to put my energy in that direction.
तब्बू आपके पिताजी की फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस
हाँ जी.
और आपने उनके साथ काम किया.
जी.
बिंदास लड़की है. फेनोमेनल एक्ट्रेस.
Yes.
एक चीज, एक लाइफ लेसन जो आपने तब्बू से ली.
More than life lesson is an acting lesson, because I didn't spend too much time with her one on one, because उनके scenes और हमारे scenes कभी एक साथ तो थे नहीं. But I think an acting lesson that I took from her is how easy she is in front of the camera. मतलब it's just beautiful, the ease with which she, does such beautiful, complex characters with such great nuances, and it's just something that I want to imbibe. मैं देखती ही रहती हूँ. Even when I was watching औरों में कहा दम था, I would watch something she's doing and I'd pinch my sister saying, what, how has she done that? Like there are instances when I watch her performance and I physically feel goosebumps. And I feel like मुझे वो इमोशन जगाना है किसी में कि कोई मुझे देख के ऐसे 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 करे किसी और को.
अजय देवगन
जी.
कम बोलते हैं, but जब भी बोलते हैं सॉलिड बोलते हैं.
करेक्ट.
मुझे मालूम था कि आप इंटिमिडेटेड थी उनसे. दैट इज व्हाट आई गॉट टू नो. उनसे एक्टिंग या लाइफ लेसन क्या था?
I remember the first meeting that I had with Ajay sir on the set of औरों में कहा दम था. He was sitting outside his van, and I remember मैं जा ही नहीं रही थी. I was taking one step and I was like, no, not now, I can't go, what will I say? And Falguni ma'am, who was the costume designer on औरों में कहा दम था, she pulled me. She's like, you have to come and say hello. I was like, I will, but just give me a second. She's like, no, abhi. So I've gone, and the warmth and the kindness and the way he's said hello, interacted, had a conversation for 10 minutes, just been a very, very nice person the first time I've met him. And I feel like to have that, to be nice, to be kind after a certain point in life, when you've reached a certain place in life, it's not something that you have to do. It's a choice that you make. And it's a choice that you have to keep making every day, to be kind and to be nice to everyone. And I feel like that's a big life lesson that I've learned, because I think being kind is the most important thing in the world. और जिस तरीके से उन्होंने, जिस तरीके से वो सबसे मिले, my team was with me, and the way he met them with so much warmth and so much kindness was something that I kept with me and took back with me.
Have you ever met unkind actors? नाम नहीं पूछूंगा, but in general.
हाँ.
क्या करते हो?
Nothing. They just look through you, and for no rhyme or reason. And I don't understand why, because I'm the kind of person that loves smiling at people. I have this thing. I love, like, even when I'm walking somewhere and I see a person and we meet eyes, I will never be like, I'll always smile. I have this thing that I need people to smile back at me. So if I'm smiling at someone and someone doesn't smile back, I feel damn bad. So that has happened a couple of times where maybe in a social setting I've looked at someone, I've smiled, and someone just walks through you. Is just not the nicest feeling in
And
the
these
world.
are actors per se, well-known actors.
Not all actors, different kind of people and different kind of social settings.
तो कभी कभार फीलिंग आती है यार मैंने क्यों हाई बोल दिया,
नहीं,
maybe
कभी
I
नहीं.
should hold back.
No,
नहीं.
कभी नहीं. I've always believed that you have to be true to who you are. If you are a kind person, if you are the kind of person that wants to say hi to someone, then सब जाए भाड़ में, तुम अपना करो. You should always do your own and hold your own, despite what other people around you are doing. Because if everyone around you starts affecting you, then you won't remain the person that you are.
फादर बेटी के लिए हमेशा हीरो होते हैं. आई फील दैट नाउ both my daughters make me feel like a hero. And
So
how
sweet.
and how and it becomes a responsibility.
Yeah.
जब महेश जी का कैंसर हुआ था,
जी.
he must have been traumatized.
It was a very difficult phase for the entire family because we found out also end lockdown type when things were starting to get a little bit, Papa was saying I'm not feeling well, and I remember the entire series of tests we were doing, and we were not, because we are a lot of kids, so we were not all allowed inside, so only mom would go with him. So we would have to be, on calls and always, but he never made us feel like he was sick. The will and the determination and the strength he had through the whole thing. He was always smiling. Whenever we used to go meet him, we used to, I don't know if I should say this, but like sneak some food into the hospital. And all of us used to sit and play games. And it was in the back of our heads, all of us had that, dad is unwell, but we also knew that he's going to be able to fight through this. And just the fact that him and mom never let it get to us was something very commendable, because they knew that it might have, in some way affected us. Like I was working also at the time, and
आप दबंग के लिए शूट कर रही थी?
नहीं, मैं मेजर के लिए शूट कर रही थी. But at the back of my mind, I always knew that he's going to be able to fight through this, and mom and dad together can get through anything.
So ऐसा कभी ख्याल नहीं आया कि I may lose him? कभी नहीं आया? क्या आया था?
पहली बार जब पता चला, that was obviously it was a shock, and I remember calling my friends and talking to them, and they were trying to talk me out of it, trying to make me feel a little better. And that was the first day, and the next day after that, dad was on it. He was so strong कि I was like नहीं कुछ होगा ही नहीं. So I think it's his willpower, mom's willpower, and their strength that got the entire family through it.
So you saw true warrior at home only.
Yeah, and it's always been like that, and teaches you so much about life. These experiences, I feel like the worst experiences in life teach you the most. And it taught me a lot about resilience, about strength, about how to, get back up on your feet. Because I remember dad immediately going into work after that. I remember even when it was happening, हमारे घर में एक रूम में edit लगा हुआ था. So to keep his mind occupied, he would go edit his films. So
खुद करते थे?
हाँ, I mean there was an editor, but he would
supervise.
हाँ. So and there used to be like his film's music coming in, and he used to play it for the entire house, and it was always like, how to get back up stronger. So
while he had cancer.
Yes.
Wow.
It was amazing, honestly. Very, very, very inspiring.
तिशा कुमार के फ्यूनरल में आप गई थी.
जी.
वो किशन कुमार की ऑब्वियसली बेटी है.
जी.
आप कितने क्लोज थी उनके साथ?
Tisha, I don't want to talk about this a lot because it's still a very, very sensitive issue for a lot of people, especially the family. I knew Tisha very well, and she was the sweetest and the kindest girl. And all my love and strength for her family, honestly.
What do you want from life?
What do I want from life? I want to give baby Sai the life she imagined. I want to give baby Sai the life she imagined. बस मेरे को उतना ही करना है. Like I remember when you're little, you have like when you're really small, you have the liberty to dream bigger. Because at that time you don't know the realities of life. You don't know good, bad, ugly. So when you're little, you can dream so big that there's no end to it. You can dream on forever. So I feel like that dream that little Sai had, you know, when she did Kakas Sparsh and she wanted to act and she wanted to be on the big screen and she wanted to live a certain kind of life. Like I remember when I was a baby only मैंने बोला था कि I want to have 2 daughters and I have a certain plan of life in mind. Now अगर वो if that's what I'm supposed to have, great. If something better than that comes along, even better. But I just want to make sure that every dream that little Sai dreamt, I fulfill.
So you've also dreamt you'll have 2 baby girls.
I want.
How nice.
Yeah, because I don't know. I've always seen my mom and dad with me, and I feel like girls are so a little bit spoiled, and I want to spoil them.
I agree. I think girls are the best also.
Yeah. So,
wow. So you've dreamt of your wedding.
Yeah.
2 baby girls भी मना लिया है.
yes.
वो acting वाला भी कर दिया है.
हाँ जी.
So you believe in the power of manifestation.
100%. I believe that something that you believe to be true will automatically happen because you're putting it out in the universe. You're putting that energy, that truth in the universe, so it will find its way back to you. They say ना कर्म करते जाओ फल की चिंता मत करो. मैं वही करती हूँ.
क्या आपने अपने privilege को कभी इस्तेमाल किया है to get anything done?
No. I mean, like a restaurant reservation maybe, but more than that, no. I don't believe in the misuse of power because it'll come back and bite you. I think if you have a voice, if you have any kind of privilege, you should only use it to do good. And if not that, then nothing else. Because that's the only way to do better and to get more of that in life. I feel like today if I'm at a certain place where I have a certain kind of voice, if I use it to do good, I will have a bigger, a greater voice. So I feel like your voice should always be used, your privilege should always be used to only do good things.
आपने initially मुझे कहा था during lockdown you saw people moving ahead.
हाँ जी.
That means you're in touch with your vulnerabilities too कि लोग आगे बढ़ रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
मैं वहाँ पे हूँ. जब आप बाकी आपके हम उम्र की एक्ट्रेसेस देखते हो, I told you like अनन्या, जानवी, सारा all of them या you know अब सन्नी राशा थड़ानी का नाम आता है. कहीं इनसिक्योरिटी होती है? नहीं होती.
I'll tell you why also. It's because I told you I'm a very big believer in destiny and manifestation and everything, and I believe that everyone has come with their path. And whatever that they have to fulfill and achieve, everyone will achieve that regardless कि मैं insecure feel करूँ या ना करूँ. सबको जो करना है वो करेंगे. If someone's excelling in life, अगर मैं बैठ के बोलूँ अरे यार why am I not excelling in life, उनका कुछ बदलने नहीं वाला है, मेरा कुछ बदलने नहीं वाला है. So I don't believe in feeling bad for someone else's success because doesn't mean कि उनका कुछ कम होने वाला है, ज़्यादा होने वाला है या मेरा कुछ change होने वाला है. And I've always thought that envy only brings you down. Envy will never take you up.
कभी envy हुआ है?
I try not to.
होता है कभी-कभी. It's okay, it happens with the
नहीं,
best
अगर
of
कोई intrusive मतलब if I hear a film that I want to do is going to someone else, I'll be like that pinch you feel, but it's not envy because I genuinely believe that the second you start letting envy get to you, it will only bog you down. It will make you a hateful person. It will make you a very like I'm a very optimistic person और मेरे को नहीं बनना है वैसे. I don't want to look at the negative in myself also. When I'm getting envious or something, I will immediately try to remove it and you know not let it get to me because I know it's not going to take me anywhere. Like okay, अगर मैं envious होके मेरा बहुत भला हो जाता लाइफ में तो मैं हो भी लेती, but I know it's not going to help me or anyone else get anywhere in life. So what's the point?
जैसे बहुत सारे एक्टर्स मुझे बोलते हैं कि जब वो ऑडिशन करते हैं तो कभी कभार डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर उनको वापस फ़ोन नहीं करते, बोलते हैं अच्छा यू नो यू नॉट गॉट द रोल. दे डोंट कॉल देम एंड इन्फॉर्म देम. आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपके साथ नहीं होता ये?
क्या?
Informing you that you've not got the role. They've understood, they've done your audition, they've spoken to you, but...
No, but I think how many people will they call? They've auditioned so many people. How can they call 100 people and say...
आपके साथ हुआ है कि when they've not called you and said, you know, साई आप फिल्म के हिस्सेदार नहीं हो?
नहीं, कभी फ़ोन नहीं आया ऐसे. I have given a lot of tests, and in a couple of months, if I get it, I'll get a call saying you've gotten it, and if I don't get it, I'll see that someone else has gotten it
तो
and
आपके
move
साथ
on.
भी ये होता है जब आपको कॉल वापस नहीं आता?
And it's fine. I mean, like, I don't expect, like, agar I put myself in their shoes, if I am auditioning 100 people, out of that one is going to get selected, 99 I'm not going to call. I feel like people will get the idea if someone else has been casted, and that's okay. That's the process. I feel like that's the life of an actor. Rejections are more common than you getting a film.
आपका biggest rejection?
Funnily enough, it was a Neeraj Pandey show. So right before that, I had auditioned for a show that he was doing. It was a big show on a platform, and I really wanted to get that part because, you know, it seemed very interesting, and I'd gone to audition, and I remember giving it my all, and I'm not getting a call, and I found out somebody else has been casted, so I felt a little pinched, but I moved on. Then when I got a call saying Neeraj sir is testing for a film, I was like, अभी तो मैं सुनूंगी नहीं, मैं सब कुछ करूंगी. I will work my hardest and get that yes. And after giving the test for the film also, I think it was 2 to 3 months before I got locked for it or heard anything about it. So those 2-3 months, I was like, but funnily enough, life works in funny ways, because I remember when I was going for the test, before I even went for the test, when I found out about the test, I was like, is Neeraj sir doing any films? I asked the casting person. He's like, not as of now. And I was like, okay, cool, I would love to test for that also. And somehow it worked out and I did it. So
Any big regret? एक regret तो होगा कुछ.
not really.
No regrets.
Because again, there are no real regrets, because regret करके क्या करूँगी?
नहीं, but कभी और होता है, it bites you back, यार ये फिल्म मेरे हाथ से चला गया, मुझे मिल गया होता, and then you see someone else doing it, and you're like, oof, क्यों
कभी नहीं हुआ? I've never believed in, if somebody else is doing better work than me, they should get the opportunity, 100%. If they are working harder than me, 100%.
Which is that film that came to you but went to someone else, and later on you saw it and you're like, अरे यार मुझे.
There was one, I can't name it.
ठीक
It was a big one, and it had come to me, and I really wanted to do it, but then I think eventually they went ahead with somebody else, and that's okay again. They wanted a certain look for the film, probably, which I didn't fit. They wanted a certain geographical look for the film, and I really tried, but नहीं हुआ तो नहीं हुआ. I've always been कि अगर यहाँ नहीं लिखा है, तो then you try how much ever. नहीं होगा. But if it's written for you and you work hard towards it, it will happen to you. So again, I leave it. I just leave it. I don't like to wallow in it, because the second I start doing that, I know myself that I'll go down a rabbit hole that will be very hard to come back up from.
सलमान ने कभी आपको पेप टॉक दिया, जैसे बॉक्सर अपने कोच से बात करता है या कोच अपने बॉक्सर से बात करता है when things were down and out?
No, not really, not pep talk, but he's always been very sweet to me. He's always been very kind to me. He's always, told me he believes in my potential. And I feel like that is all you need. You need one person that believes in you. You need 5 people that believe in you. And that is literally all you need to, get that strength to move ahead in life. And I feel like, especially nowadays, with good reviews coming in from the film, with people saying good things, you get that kind of motivation and that strength to do better, because you know that there's 3 more people probably that believe in you from yesterday to today. So you just need people to believe in you and trust you to do good work, and then you will, I feel like, eventually do good work.
साई, थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank
आप
you.
अपनी एज से बहुत इवॉल्व हो. You have a sense of realization of who you are, जो इतने early age में कभी नहीं आता है, वो actually बाद में आता है, but you had it pretty early. I think it's the humble background of your parents, and I really hope कि baby साई के सारे जो dreams है come true.
Thank you.
Though I still feel your baby साई right now, मेरे लिए तो आप है ही, but I hope all that comes true.
Thank you.
And I
Thank
truly
you.
believe that good times are here for you.
Thank
Sai Manjrekar. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.